Hey, what's good guys? Welcome to Cooking Made Simple. As you just saw in the intro, today's video is going to be how to make ginger cookies. So let's get to it.
Okay, so start by adding 2 1/4 cups of flour to a large bowl. Next, you want to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and a half teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you want to mix it up. Now you want to get a smaller bowl and add in 3/4 cups of butter, softened. Mix it all up. Now you want to add 1 cup of sugar, and you want to mix that all together. Now add in 1 large egg and mix it up. Now you can add in a 1/4 cup of molasses. Once you got that in the bowl, you can add in 1 tablespoon of water. And after that, you want to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, once everything is mixed up, you're going to add the small bowl into the big bowl, like this. Now you want to mix everything all together. You can use a fork, use a whisk, you can even use your hands too to make it a bit easier. Now you want to get a small bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to use this bowl to coat the ginger cookies before we put them onto the baking sheet. Now you want to get a flat bottom glass and press the cookies down just a little bit to make them a bit flat. Now you want to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. And after about 8 to 10 minutes, they're done.
Okay guys, well that's all she wrote. So if you made it this far in the video and you like what you saw today, feel free to drop me a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.